overnight meetings will serve to get you home. Please remember that drinking alcohol on Metro North trains and